Nowadays, more and more people are turning to drinking herbal tea when they start feeling slightly under the weather. Herbal tea is made from infusing plants and herbs in hot water, and it is known to contain many therapeutic benefits. In this video, we introduce one herbal tea recipe that you can brew on your own. Roselle and Hawthorn tea is a child-friendly herbal tea that quenches thirst, increases appetite, and promotes digestion. Both Roselle and Hawthorn berry can also help to reduce cholesterol and are suitable for adult consumption. The ingredients include Roselle, Hawthorn berry, and candied winter melon or rock sugar. First, rinse the Roselle and Hawthorn berry. Add Roselle and Hawthorn berry into 1 liter of water. Bring to boil and then lower the heat. Add candied winter melon or rock sugar according to preference. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and cool before consumption. While this is a child-friendly herbal tea, it is recommended to drink once every 2 weeks as frequent consumption of Hawthorn berry may damage the teeth. Adults with acid reflux are not recommended to consume this herbal tea as the sourness may aggravate reflux symptoms.